Looking to enhance your daily life with an intelligent assistant? Look no further than Copilot in Windows, now available in the HP portfolio. Copilot seamlessly integrates into your routine, offering solutions for various needs to ensure a smoother, more organized, and enriching family life. From what you heard about Copilot, you might think it changes how you work. But what about using it in your personal life? Microsoft Copilot lets you access the information you need in your daily life by simply asking a question. What before could have taken you hours browsing from tab to tab, Copilot gathers it for you, giving access to links, YouTube tutorials, and much more. Simplify meal planning with Copilot, which generates shopping lists and suggests recipes based on your preferences, dietary needs, and available ingredients. Prioritize your health, as it suggests exercise routines and offers valuable health tips such as for stress management. Create unforgettable moments. From brainstorming craft projects to home decor ideas and DIY activities, Copilot is your go-to for creative inspiration. You can also request entertainment suggestions for family-friendly movies, trivia games, or personalized bedtime stories. And let's not forget our furry companions. Copilot provides pet care tips and training techniques, ensuring they receive the best care possible. Order your HP PC enhanced by Copilot today on the HP Store and enjoy a free and fast delivery.